Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to configure a proxy within the Somiibo app, helping you safely automate social media activities and boost your followers. Let's get started. Open the Somiibo application. Select the Sessions tab on the left side. To create a new session, click the plus icon at the top. Type your session name into the first field, then hit the plus located next to Advanced Options. For the proxy field, enter your details as follows. Start with the protocol, then include the IP address and port separated by a colon. Don't worry about mistakes, there is a helpful prompt below the entry field showing acceptable proxy formats. If you're using a private proxy, enter it like this. Protocol followed by your username and password separated by a colon. @ the IP address, colon, and then the port. Further down, you can input any additional session information before saving your changes. And that's it. Your proxy is now active and you are ready to go. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.